Kango.
Hello everyone, let's have a look at this week's economic news. Thanks, I go.
Key points of this week. Fed's unexpected rate cut creates greater anxiety in markets. The Federal Reserve slashed interest rates by 0.5 percentage point on Tuesday, to give the U.S. economy a jolt in the face of concerns about the coronavirus outbreak. It was the first unscheduled, emergency rate cut since 2008. The new benchmark interest rate is a range of between 1% and 1.25%. The rate cut came as somewhat of a surprise. It made the U.S. stock market soar on Tuesday, with the Dow Jones Index gained 1,173 points. The S&P 500 index and the Nasdaq composite rose 1.5% and 1.32%, at 3,136 and 9,070 in high level. The Bank of Canada is poised to follow the Fed and cut interest rates by 50 basis points. Investors are more convinced the world's big central banks will soon follow. "We saw the risk to the outlook to the economy and chose to act," Fed Chairman Jerome Powell echoed. "I don't think anybody knows how long it will be until the potential economic fallout from the virus rebounds." Wall Street fell 3% on Wednesday amid investor unease about economic fallout from coronavirus. And Dow Industrials swung from 696 points loss. Meanwhile, the benchmark 10-year Treasury yield dropped as low as 0.899%, setting a new bottom after slipping below 1% for the first time. Stock markets in the Hong Kong rose more than 500 points, to 26,767 on Thursday. Turnover totaled more than 130 billion Hong Kong dollars. However, HK stocks lose as U.S. stocks fell dramatically and the benchmark U.S. 10-year Treasury yield dropped. The Hang Seng Index dropped 2.32%, to 26,146 at the close of trading on Friday, after earlier losing 683 points. Turnover totaled 119.462 billion Hong Kong dollars. Hang Seng Index finally gained 16 points in this week. The Hang Seng China Enterprises Smart Index dropped 2.53% at 10,456. Its turnover totaled 41.944 billion Hong Kong dollars. Hang Seng China Affiliated Corporations Index slipped 2.42% lower to 4,109. Turnover totaled 7.762 billion Hong Kong dollars. Shanghai Stock Exchange Composite Index was 1.21% lower at 3,034. Its turnover totaled 377.389 billion Hong Kong dollars.
Thanks for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye bye.